Andrew Price, Technical Director, Humble Lions Football Club.
So Andrew Price, what's your thought on the government relaxing the curfew laws and allowing fans to attend the JPL matches now?
Oh, it's much needed. I know the fans are starved for football games, so I know they're happy. We just hope that we can get more grounds approved where we can play at other grounds so the general public can go out and watch matches. Football games are not nice without spectators, and it was very encouraging to have spectators watching the game today. So I'm happy about it. I'm happy that some of the protocols have been relaxed. But everybody should try and get vaccinated so more of us can come out and support the game. But
Right.
it's a step in the right direction.
Right. So the game ended 0-0. What's the cause that your team did not score in the goal today? You got a penalty in the latter part of the game. What's the feeling like there?
We weren't clinically in front of goal. I think we didn't come to the party until late in the second half, where we really showed our fitness and we really took the game to Harbourview. And if we were a little bit more clinical, we could have gotten all 3 points. I mean, we got a penalty, and normally Andrew Vance is sure when he takes those penalties, but unfortunately it wasn't happening today. So, it's really unfortunate that we didn't get 3 points. But it's the first game that we haven't conceded a goal, so it's a good platform to work from. We have to continue to trust the process and continue working hard.
Thank you very much, Andrew Price, for the interview. And I hope you will rectify that problem the next match coming.
All right, thanks.